Hi, I'm here at Gold Star Boats in Perth. Just about to show you a trailer that was built with all our parts. Here we have the stainless hinges, a couple of spring bolts, side markers, our gas struts, we have pinch weld, our rods, vector lock, you have another vector lock, center flex hinges, nothing in here of UES's, but I thought I'd show you anyway. It's actually self-leveling suspension when you have stopped, and you can set to level out, all done by mate control. Go down the side here, we have some more center flex vectors, another vector up there, and on the top we